Hello, this is Tutorial Island. Today I'm going to show you how CSS Borders works. So as you see, we currently have blank page, and we're going to add a couple block elements. So let's make beautiful, and then let's add class. So class equals box, and let's make it box one. So we can actually copy that to other things as well, and just change that to this. So currently our common class is box, so we're going to define it in CSS as our block element. So in this case it's going to be with 250 pixels, height should be something around the same. After that, background color would be something like I don't know, light green. And that's it. So if I refresh, as you see, it seems like one huge block, so we should add margin of 5 pixels, so we have a spacing around each block, and I kinda would like to see them in one row, so display inline block, which will stack them horizontally. So borders usually are uh, defined in line, but it's possible to do that in a couple rows. So I will start with box 1. So box 1 should have, let's say, a border. So border width could be 1 pixel. Border style could be solid, and border color could be, let's say, red. So if I save that and refresh, as you see, we have a solid line, red border, and 1 pixel width. So if I type 5, that will be a huge border around. So interesting thing is that border increases the size of element, as you see. So it's something to note. But you can actually easily fix that by providing class box sizing and border box, which actually will include border width to our element, which means our element kind of shrinks itself while width and height stay the same. So our content is a bit will have a bit less space in that case. Now let's play with the parameters here. So as you already guessed, this one just defines the width. Style actually can be like quite few different styles, but mostly used is, in my opinion, solid. There is certain, which looks like that, and that usually is a 1 to pixel. As you see, it's like slightly dotted line. Also could be dashed, which looks like that. So this one as well is a bit used a bit more. And after that, there is a bit more fancy, I would say, borders like double, which I didn't really see much used in practice. There is border blue, which as you see has different inner and outer border color. And that would be easily visible or very good border. And there is border called rich, which basically the same, just inverse. There is insert border, which makes the border inside, and this color different makes it look like it's like embedded inside the element. And there is of course opposite for that. Outside, uh, there might be style none, which means no border. Sometimes that's necessary for some elements to use. Instead of none, you could use a hidden, which actually is not really different from no border I would get, but maybe it shows doesn't show the border but actually draws one. And after that, you can make mixed border by defining them in separate parameters. So let's do that on box 2. So if I type box 2, I can type border 1 pixel, which is width, solid, which is our style, and color, let's say blue, and save it. So in that case, I actually defining the border for element. Let's bring this one back. So we could actually move box sizing so all elements look the same for our common class, which will make all of our elements even. So what else we could do here is that we should is box 3. So let's do the same thing here. So box 3, and we could do border top, and we could do the same thing. 1 pixel solid, let's say blue. As you most probably guessed already, we could do border left, or maybe bottom 1 pixel solid red. So if I refresh this page now, I see top border is blue and bottom border is red. So if you want, you could make something like border in general. So border for that element is 1 pixel solid and black. But after that, you can override the other border. So for example, sometimes you need to override only one border. You could just top, right, left, or bottom, and just define that for the border. So if I change this one to let's say 5 pixels, so we should have element with 1 pixel solid black border, but top border should be 5 pixel solid blue, and bottom border should be 1 pixel solid red. So only sides should be black. So as you see, that's exactly how it looks. And as well, we could see the border radius. So that would look something like I could use that for a common class. So border radius, that would be 5 pixels, for example. So that means our elements will have a slight shape, something a bit more rounded. So if you want a completely rounded element, you could do 100%, and that would make us simple. So this is something what Google uses for their photos and some of the pages, Google Plus, for example. So they just set the background image of that element and so if you want, you can actually define extra rules. So for example, I want that this would be rounded, but not top part. So top part I want to be corner. And to do that, I would need to write down something like border uh, top right radius, and I could do 0 pixels. And I most probably would need to do the same for border top left radius, 0 pixels. So which means top right corner will be squarish, and left top corner as well will be squarish. So if I refresh that, that's exactly how that looks. Just fairly nice. So if I would like to add something else like bottom left, that doesn't look like that, since this corner is straight, this corner is 90 degrees, this 90 degrees, and this 90 degrees, and only this is 100% rounded. So if I do 50%, that would look like that. Exactly. And with 50%, this is still rounded because from here to here is just 50, so that's fine. If I would make 40, that would be not circle anymore. So we can play with those just to see how exactly this looks. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.